Moving can be stressful, especially if you're old.
Oh!
Moving a house is no easy task, and we're here to give you 5 tips to help your move go smooth. Tip number 1. Use a garbage bag to easily transport all your hanging clothes. Simply put the ties over the hangers and you're ready to go. Tip number 2. See what things you can donate, sell, or get rid of, so there's less to move. Tip number 3. You can get free twist ties from most supermarkets for small cords and cables, but for bigger cables, you can use the cardboard tube from paper towels or toilet paper rolls. Tip number 4. When packing fragile and important things, you can wrap them in blankets. Be sure to secure your possessions, and then you're ready to go. Tip number 5. Get friends or family to help.
Looks heavy,
It is.
but we don't have room in the truck. You said that was genuine leather?
Oh yeah. Pack what you want, have a yard sale for what you don't want, and burn the rest. Bonus tip, if you want to save the relationships with the people you care about, hire a mover.